Did you get them in? You got to do all 4 of them. Wait, don't hammer them yet. Just put them in with your finger. No, don't hammer it yet. No. You got to put all 4 of them in with your fingers.
What?
No, not in the top pole.
What? Oh no, that's one.
Only on the bottom ones.
Oh, you did another screw.
No, you got one there by the hammer. You got a little one by the hammer. You got to take the top one out. Top one doesn't go in yet. The one on the top. Take that one out. That one comes out.
What?
That doesn't go in yet.
And this?
And then put it in the other 2 holes. You need one more. It's on.
Oh, that hurts so.
You got one more.
That hurts my head. Where's the other one?
You don't need no more. Just 4. Put that one in. No, not that hole on the bottom.
Oh, I think I need to hold it so it stays.
Just push it hard. Tap it with the hammer. That's good. No, that's good. Now put it on top of here.
What?
Put it on top.
But how about it fall off?
No. Just put it on top right here.
Hold it?
Right there. Okay, start with this one. Almost. No, not that one yet. Do this one more. Wait, okay. No, wait. Okay, alright. Wait. It's crooked. Wait.
Who said that
I
voice?
think Peepa. Do this one.
Oh, loose.
It's a little crooked, but it's alright. Keep going. Wait.
I think.
It's gotta go straight. If it goes crooked, you gotta stop. Straight. Go in. Keep going. A
Crooked.
little bit more. No, that's good. Do that one a little more. That's good. Wait, that one's crooked a little bit.
These ones are.
Take the nail out. Wait, no, it's crooked. You gotta take it out. That's how you take it out, like this. There.
What happened?
I took it out. And then put it back in.
Let's use the little hammer.
Okay, go ahead.
Crooked.
Just put it in. It should be okay. Put it in between. Put the nail in between them. No, put the nail in between the 2. The nail's gotta go in between, like that. And pull it up. Hold there, you got it.
Oh, this one's. Well, I see the mama. You see the love.
It's okay. It's not bent.
It's weird. But it's not. Oh, it's big. Oh, I see the plumber. Look at this palm.
That's good.
It's a
You just gotta hit it in.
It's a bomb. The bomb.
Just hit it straight. Don't hit it on an angle. Hit it with the big one.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's alright. Just hit it in. It will go. A little bit more. More. Keep going. Keep going. There. It's in.
Yes?
Yep.
Okay. Well, how
Alright. Next.
this one?
You gotta put... Where's that little thing? Wait. First you gotta put this on. This is the bird perch. You gotta put that right there. And then you gotta put a nail in right there.
Look.
A long nail. Get a long nail.
The long. A long.
Put it in there. You can put it in. Hit it with the hammer. There you go. Now hit it.
Hey,
Keep going. A little bit more. Alright. That's good.
Pick.
Now look. See?
It's eating
It's a bird perch.
The dip. Now put it.
Alright. Yeah. Put that, but first you gotta put the nails in the holes.
Yes.
4 long nails. Oh, attach the front to 4 long nails.
It's 4.
You only got 3.
Oh. And need 2 more.
1 more. That's good. And put them in the holes with your hand.
I think so. Boy. I can't.
You got it. Start with this one.